pushed her head against the stove and began like covering her mouth with her face with his hand.
So what did she say happened next?
That he ended up pushing her to the ground, pushing her to the ground.
And then did she get up?
Yes.
What did he do next, according to Ms. Redlick?
Pushed her head against the stove and began like covering her mouth with her face with his hands, yelling and screaming at her.
So she's described, can you kind of describe what you understood her to be saying Mr. Redlick was doing with his hand?
Like just covering, like smushing his hands over her mouth.
Okay. She was not describing being choked?
Correct, she wasn't.
Did she say whether or not Mr. Redlick struck her at any point during the sequence of events?
No, just smudged his hand against her face, but like that.
Okay.
Like smudged it.
Like was like rubbing his fist on her?
Yeah, like rubbing. Mm-hmm.
You're face to face with Ms. Redlick, right?
Yes.
Nothing covering her face?
Right.
Did you observe any injuries on her?